Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I have this Blomberg washer and dryer stack unit. I'm going to install it and you can see how it needs to be installed. This is our washer. We have 4 shipping bolts. We're going to take these off from the back and I'll show you where the location of the shipping bolts are. If you look at the washer, there's these holes, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, so you're going to take all of these 4 shipping bolts off from that. These 2 brackets that you can see on top of the washer installed in this position, it comes with couple of screws that you're gonna install it on top, and it comes with left and right. After installing that, we are going to put this dryer on top of it. And this washer and dryer also comes with an instruction sheet. You can follow this if you don't know. So the shipping bolts are off, and I'll show you something important. After installing those 2 brackets on top of the washer, you're coming at the back of the dryer and installing 2 screws, one from there, one from that side. I uninstall it only because after putting the dryer on top of the washer, you're gonna install these 2 screws back again. So I'm gonna keep these screws on the side. I'm going to pick up the dryer and keep it on top of the washer and install it on top of the washer. If you're one person and you're strong enough to lift this dryer, you can do it by one person. Otherwise you need 2 men for this job. So here's the, I don't know if you can see the wheels or not. I can put a little bit of light. There's the dryer wheels, one on this side, one on that side. That side is not sitting proper, so both of the wheels supposed to sit like that, and then you can put the 2 screws in at the back here, the 2 screws that I pulled it out, and then you grab your dryer line. This is the power cable that they stick it inside the dryer. This goes to the wall outlet, and then the power cable or the electrical wire from the washer comes sticks in that box. It's on another side. So So the installation is complete, but one of the legs over there, it's not sitting properly. I'm gonna put that proper, and then the installation would be done.